My name is Rihanna Pezzaniti. I am a project manager at Form, so I help to bring exhibitions like this to life. The process of installing this exhibition has taken us about 2 weeks. The key place for us to start was making sure that the space was empty and clean and prepped and ready for the artworks to be installed. We work with 2 really fantastic installers as well, and so as sort of a period of 2 weeks we've transformed, we've built walls, we've built plinths, and we've also hung artworks both on walls but also suspended from the ceiling as well. So there's a fair bit of problem solving that goes into putting an exhibition like that, and a lot of sort of working hand in hand with the artists as well to ensure that it suits this space because it's quite unique, but also suits their vision for what they want their work to do. Putting an exhibition together of this scale takes quite a number of people from our team. Of course, we have the curator, which everything sort of stems from, but then we have members of the team like myself who help to sort of bring the logistics and the materiality together of the project, but then we also have support from the graphic design team who create the didactics and the signage and all of those little extra things that you don't necessarily think about when you're putting an exhibition together. We also work with 2 super talented installers as well, who can hang from a wall and suspend super heavy work to painting, building walls. And then of course we have the wider team who help support on opening night to kick the exhibition off with a bang. The Goods Shed isn't really a perfect white-walled gallery, so there's a lot of intricacies with the space as to what we can hang where, how much weight it can take. It's also heritage, so there's certain things we can and can't do as well. Sometimes we have to build new walls. For this exhibition, we actually had to close off and build off our media room, so we can't actually even access that space now. It's sort of working out how our space works best for the artwork is a big thing that we sort of problem solve through the whole process as well. One of the more significant pieces of artwork for this exhibition is Iko Nugroho's embroidery piece. So this is one of the first times he's done a work of this scale like this. So he's painted a 3x3 canvas essentially with normal paint, and then he's had a member of staff who's an embroider go over the top of his paint over 3 months and embroider and stitch the whole entire canvas, which I think is really unique and quite special and my favourite piece of the show.